there, aspiring authors. Whether you're a seasoned writer or just starting out, creating an ebook can be an exciting and rewarding journey. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. We have tons of tips and tricks to help you on your writing journey. Today, I'm going to show you how to master ebook creation and copywriting in just 3 minutes. Ready? Let's get started. Creating an ebook involves several key steps, and I'll guide you through each one. First things first, choose a topic or niche. Pick a subject you are passionate about or one that has market demand. Think self-help, fiction, business, whatever floats your boat. The more interested you are in the topic, the easier it will be to write, and the more engaging your book will be for readers. Next up, write your content. Outline your chapters or sections to keep things organized. Use tools like Microsoft Word, Google Docs, or Scrivener. Make sure your book is structured well, with clear headings and easy to read. A well-organized book not only helps you stay on track, but also makes it easier for your readers to follow along. Once you've got your content ready, it's time to design and format your ebook. Use Canva for creating a stunning ebook cover. For formatting, tools like Calibre or Adobe InDesign can help you convert your manuscript into PDF, EPUB, or MOBI formats. A professional-looking cover and well-formatted content can make a huge difference in attracting readers. Now, don't skip this part. Proofread and edit your work. Hire a professional editor or proofreader to ensure your ebook is free of mistakes and well-organized. Trust me, your readers will thank you. A polished book reflects your professionalism and dedication to quality. Finally, let's talk about copywriting. Once your ebook is polished, you'll want to protect your intellectual property. Register your ebook with the U.S. Copyright Office to secure your rights. It's a small step that can save you a lot of headaches down the road. This ensures that your hard work is legally protected and gives you peace of mind. And that's it, your quick guide to creating and copywriting a digital book. Ready to get started? Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and happy writing. Remember, the journey of writing and publishing an ebook is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time, enjoy the process, and celebrate your progress along the way. Good luck. Good.